bean, got a little meat in it. Can't see no peppers and onion, but we can see how it go. Let's see how it go. I'm gonna tell you that good. It got a different new flavor. I ain't no taste of baked beans, so that's good. I like them beans, man. I get them beans. About an 8.8. That's that's some good beans.